let's say a fire gets in my house and all my fragrances are gone, boom, plummeted. I'll genuinely fall into depression. But insurance money comes in and I can buy myself all the fragrances again. But I wouldn't make the same mistakes that I did the previous time. Because yes, there are some fragrances that I regret purchasing. And the order in which I bought the fragrances also matters a lot. There's fragrances that I will have purchased before some other fragrances. And that is what this video is going to be about today. We have $1,000 budget. And I'm going to show you guys the fragrances that I will buy again in order to start rebuilding my collection. And these are gonna be the most outstanding fragrances from my entire collection. The ones that I actually use on a day-to-day basis and the ones that get the best results ever. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video, guys. But hold on, since you're right here, might as well just subscribe and hit the like button to support a small creator like me. It's gonna be a long run. This is only the beginning and I want you to be right there. So the first fragrance that I will, without a doubt, 100% get as my first fragrance to rebuild my collection, the one and only, you guys know it, Valentino Coral Fantasy. Guys, this is my signature fragrance for a goddamn reason. Refreshing, red apple, coral, sweet, right amount of tobacco. Just everything in general makes this fragrance absolutely perfect. Although the only problem that I may see people having with the fragrance is the longevity, which for me, I get a good 5 to 6 hours of longevity. And if anything, I can just reapply it because I would love to reapply it. Because the first 2 hours of the fragrances are the absolute best. This is a fragrance that is definitely on the more sweeter side of fragrances for the summer. However, don't let that fool you. This fragrance can work for every single scenario, every season, every scenario, for anything. It can work for absolutely everything. And that's why it will be my absolute first fragrance, because I need to wear something and I need something to be versatile enough that I can wear it to any single occasion. Either if it's formal or casual. This is everything. And from my $1,000 budget, this will only be $100, so we're off to a great start. This second fragrance that I will get after Valentino Coral Fantasy will definitely be Imagination from, you guys know it, Louis Vuitton. The reason that I'm getting two fragrances that I consider daily is because, like I said with Valentino, you can wear this for anything. So while I have these two, I can make this my daily fragrance, and I can make this fragrance my parties, special occasions, whenever I want to impress somebody. That's when I can turn this fragrance into something a little bit more special. Plus, Imagination is an absolute beautiful fragrance that makes you smell just straight out of the shower for the whole day. T and Ambroxan makes this fragrance absolutely beautiful. And also, just a little story about Imagination. So I was in the gym wearing Imagination, and I put 8 sprays on in total, right? I was doing my workout next to the cable machine, and there was this gym instructor coach with one of her clients, right? And both of them got behind me, and it looked like they wanted to ask me or tell me something. So I turned around like, hey, do you eat anything? Both the gym instructor and the client both go, you smell absolutely amazing. I need to know what you're wearing. On wallahi, I'm not making that shit up. That genuinely happened. So this was genuinely the first time that something off the matter happened, like somebody going out of their way to ask me what I was wearing because it was so freaking good. To the point that I got so excited that I was like, yeah, it's called this from Louis Vuitton. I have the bottle on my car if you want to see it. And she's like, yeah, and I showed it to her. I made a new friend that day. Like it was that crazy. Imagination will definitely be my daily pick, and Valentino will be my special occasions type of thing while I get my next fragrance, which will be God of Fire from Stefan Humber Lucas. So far we have $600 left to spare, and this is $200. So now we have $400 to spare. And why am I picking God of Fire after I have 2 fragrances for the summer? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Where I live, it's hot 10 months of the year. So therefore, I'm gonna naturally have more fragrances for the summer than the winter, because there's technically no winter. And this can be treated as my fragrance for the tropical setting, so the beach, late night parties in Miami or Fort Lauderdale or anywhere of that sort. That will be my tropical, you know what I mean, like tropical setting type of that thing. Because this fragrance is a really creamy mango fragrance, and it's gonna last 8 hours. And for the duration of the 8 hours, the fragrance goes strong for those whole 8 hours. I don't know if that makes sense. Like it doesn't get weakened, it doesn't go away or fade away. It smells the exact same way as it smelled the first hour up to the 8th hour. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but in my head it does. Like it lasts the same amount of projection for the 8 hours. And I can literally smell it on me for that amount of time. So, and it smells beautiful. For $200, I will get it again and again until, but as long as it's out and available, I will get it if it runs out of me. So that is why it's gonna be my third fragrance. But now we're finally gonna pick up our winter fragrance, and that will most definitely be Bianco Latte from Giardini di Toscana. This will most definitely be my winter fragrance. A gourmand vanilla sweet indulging fragrance. That's what Bianco Latte is. Imagine a milkshake with almonds on the top. That's what this fragrance smells like in the most beautiful way possible. It is vanilla at its purest smell. It is so amazing, guys. Like if you guys have the opportunity to smell this fragrance, if you haven't, you need to try it on, because you will most definitely love this fragrance if you love vanilla, because this is literally vanilla and some tonka bean with some caramel, some other things in there on that sort, but it's literally just sweet gourmand vanilla. And it also works even if it's a bit hot, which is what I like about Bianco Latte, because I can also wear, for example, if you go ice skating, you can wear this fragrance also. If it's not that hot, or if you're gonna be like around something that is closed and you have AC, you can wear this fragrance also. Just don't overspray and you'll be good to go. So far we have spent $750. But now it's time to get a fragrance that is made for really niche special occasions. And that will be none other than French Defense from Mind Games. I want to know out, you can also get Jadoub from Mind Games instead of this, and it will work just fine. I will get Jadoub. I think I will get Jadoub instead of French Defense, but since I already have this, why getting Jadoub? You know what I mean? However, this fragrance is an absolute banger, cherry made perfectly. Woody notes with cherry. That's basically what this fragrance is. A delicious edible cherry snack, and it doesn't get any better than that. Plus the bottle is alright. Look at that bottle, like it's perfect, it's beautiful. This will definitely be my fragrance that I can wear when I need to go something formal and I want something absolutely different. I don't want to smell too sweet, I want to smell a little bit more serious, you know what I mean? This is the fragrance to go a little bit more serious but still have some type of personality held on within you. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, you smell serious but you still have some personality going on in there, and it smells absolutely beautiful. Jadoub also works the same way, but again, since I already have this, for the purpose of this video, I wouldn't get both, just one of each. And since I already have this one, it's just best to make it out of the example. So we have 5 fragrances in total. We still have $50 to spare. And if you ask me, I will probably go over budget around $30 to $20 to get a fragrance for parties. And that fragrance for me, it would be JPG Ultra Male. See, you can either get JPG Ultra Male or get Le Male Le Parfum, which is a little bit more sophisticated and serious. But because I already have a few fragrances that can work for that occasion, for serious settings, I can go for a more playful fragrance. You know what I'm trying to say? You can get this fragrance for $80 to $90. If you go a little bit more over budget, this is one of the best party fragrances that you can wear. It's bubblegummy, sweet, and it has that touch of vanilla that just makes it playful and comfortable to be around with. That is why it's one of the best party fragrances, because it's loud, it smells good, and it's comfortable to be around with. You know, when a girl gets close to you, she feels safe. And that is the most crucial thing when it comes to talking to girls. How they feel about you matters more than you think, more than your looks even. So if we went a little bit over budget, $30 to be exact, this will be my exact order which I will buy my fragrances again if I lost everything. And only with these 6, I will be good for the rest of the year, most definitely. And that is my $1,000 challenge for fragrances. Let me know your list down in the comments. Remember, you have $1,000 to spare. And if you enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks that you will like this video as well, so go ahead and click it so I will get 2 views. Without any further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again on the next time.